Welcome to my channel.
In this video, I will be showing you what's inside my Pretty Style Smashbook. If you haven't watched my haul video, I know what you're watching next, but this Smashbook I got on Amazon.com for $14.64. If you like this one in particular, I have a link down below so you know where to go to get one yourself. So I'm going to put on some music and you guys can see inside. So that's what was inside my Pretty Style Smashbook. I believe there are 40 pages.
Fun fact.
And I can't wait to start smashing stuff into this book with you guys. So be sure to stay tuned for my next video. And to my new sunflowers, feel free to plant your seeds on that subscribe button. Don't be shy. Subscribe. And like if you do.